In this video, we're teaching you how to use the rule of 3 to be more productive at work. It's a super simple productivity hack to help you be more efficient. And if you stick around until the end of this video, we'll be giving you a free downloadable guide to that rule of 3. What's your favorite productivity hack? Mine is writing things down on sticky notes. Tell us about yours in the comments. I'm Jack, a video producer here at Career Contessa, a career site built for women. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel because we drop videos every week. At Career Contessa, we're big fans of working smarter, not harder. And that means using your time efficiently, which is exactly what productivity is. Being obsessed with productivity means that we're constantly on the lookout for better ways to be more productive, whether that's reorganizing our to-do lists or bringing plants into the office. But this hack, the rule of 3, is one of our tried and true ways to be more productive. The Get It Done rule of 3 originates from the Productivity Project's Chris Bailey, and it's a super simple process. It only has 2 steps. How to use the rule of 3. At the start of every morning when you get into the office, think towards the end of the day and say, what are 3 things that by the time I'm leaving the office, I'll for sure have want to accomplished? And you're going to do the same thing for the start of every week. So why is it 3 things? Well, 3 just fits with the human brain. For some of us, it's hard or overwhelming to remember a whole list of to-dos, but you can probably remember 3 things to do. The point is that it forces you to prioritize 3 things that you will be doing, which takes your focus away from all those things that you're not doing. When you're deciding on these tasks, you want to make them challenging but realistic, and they shouldn't be busy work things like check email or organize calendar. Try listing things that will help you towards your long-term goals, like edit video for publishing on Thursday, or finish the monthly data report to send to Aaliyah. Challenges. Let's talk about some possible challenges for a second. It can be hard to pre-plan your priorities if you work in a more collaborative work environment, or where you're expected to pick up the slack if a deadline is approaching for your team. If you don't really know what will come up or when, it's really hard to predict your goals for the end of the day. And along those lines, if you're a big team player, it can be hard to say no to projects. Jobs that require more flexibility throughout the day or usually require you to reprioritize your to-do list may be challenging to balance with the rule of 3. That being said though, maybe this will challenge you and your coworkers in a good way, in a growth way. It'll force you to be more independent and really hold each other accountable to those 3 tasks that you set for yourself. Overall, it sounds pretty simple, but that's because it is. What you want to do is make sure that you concentrate on answering, what are the 3 things I want to accomplish today? And what are the 3 things that I want to accomplish at the end of the week? That's it. If you're ready to try the rule of 3, download our free template to get your rule of 3 lists and instructions in case you need a reminder of what to do. That's linked in the description below. What's your favorite productivity hack? Tell us in the comments. Was this video helpful? Give us a like, and be sure to subscribe because we drop videos every week.